And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's up, brother?
How you going, man? How you going, man? What you got running in here?
So I got a Autotech 300 up front, XS Power D3400, all OFC 2-watt with welding cable, C-pillar flat wall. It is 2 Avatar SVL18s. We got a Chipeo 12K Taramps and Sound Digital 400.4 on the mids and highs. All Avatar coaxials, DS18 super tweeters.
You got a lot in this car.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been working on it for a while, man.
I heard you beating around the parking lot. I think I gotta catch up with him.
Yeah, right on, bro.
Yes, sir.
We'll get you something.
Alright. You still got it looking good in here, too. Are you able to let your seats up and stuff, too?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
I fold the seats up, put the kids in the back.
Still ride around and get the groceries.
Yeah, I used to have a B-pillar wall in it, but man, I had to take that shit out so I could take the kids to school and shit.
Yeah, they can't sit on top of the subs, can they?
No hype, no awards, no bragging. Just simply the best mix. DJ
My guy said the alternator's getting hot up there.
You been riding around having a good time. I've been sitting here and you beating around. Yeah, man, let them know they can follow you out on social media, man.
I have a YouTube channel called Audio Connection.
Y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel.
And then Jordan Garrison on Facebook.
Okay, I'll be sure to try to tag you down below. Y'all
yeah,
should give them a follow and subscribe. See you next time, brother.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Good seeing y'all.
Yeah.
See you. Yeah, you still subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.